welcome back to NK this math class. In today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at Jamb mathematics past question and answers. That is what we are going to look at, Jamb mathematics past question and answers. In this tutorial, we help students to achieve success. So if today is the first time of seeing our video, please kindly like and subscribe and watch, because why? These tutorials we are giving you here, we are sure that it will come out, some words from where will come out. So if you're a smart student and sharp student, kindly watch the video to the end so you can learn one or two things, because these questions on sword always come out. It is certain it must come out. Like in 2017, 2018, about 3 or 4 of them came out. So more of that do come out in different words here. So please, I will advise you to kindly watch and learn a new thing. Thank you. Now let's go to the board to solve some of the questions there. What we're going to do, since this is the question, what happened? We have a private number here, and the private number is what is 4. Since 4 is a private number, what we're going to do is to find the square root of 4, being that solution being that so 6 minus square root of 4 is what? Is 2. Then we continue by saying over so 6 plus square root of 4 is what? Is 2. Then, since we've gotten our rational sword, what happened? We are going to use this conjugate denominator to multiply the numerator and the denominator. And when you are multiplying the numerator with denominator and the denominator with denominator, what happened? The sign will change, being that multiply by sort 6 minus sort or minus 2 over sort 6 plus or minus 2. So you see that this now have changed, being that this conjugate denominator multiply the numerator and also multiply the word denominator. And what happened? The sign changed to what? Negative, from plus to what? Minus. If it's minus there, it becomes what? Plus. So that is the next thing to do is to clear bracket. Is to expand, sorry. I'm going to expand, meaning that sort 6 open bracket multiply this sort 6 minus 2 minus 2 also we multiply this sort 6 minus 2 over, okay, so we say sort 6 multiply this also, same thing we did the numerator, we do to denominator, so 6 minus 2 plus 2 multiply this, which is sort 6 minus 2. Okay, that is it. So 6 times sort 6, so 6 times sort 6 is what? Sort 36. Sort 6 multiply minus 2 is what? Minus 2 sort 6. Again here, minus 2 multiply sort 6 is what? Minus 2 sort 6. Minus times minus, minus 2 times minus 2 is what? Plus 4. Okay, so I'll just clear this bracket. I go to the next one. Sort 6 multiply sort 6 is what? Sort 36. Sort 6 multiply minus 2 is what? Minus 2 sort 6. Plus 2 multiply sort 6 is what? Plus 2 sort 6. Plus 2 times minus 2 is what? Minus 4. So we have clear the bracket of the numerator and denominator. Please kindly watch the video, okay? Then the next thing to do is we have a private number here. There's a private number here. Since we have a private number now, we have our square root. So as this is private number, what is the square root of 36? Is what? 6. The next thing to do is what? Minus, because these are what? The same. So minus 2 sort 6 minus 2 sort 6 is what? Minus 4 sort 6 plus what? Plus 4 over. This is also what? A private number and it have a square root. So since it's a private number, you have a square root. So what is the square root of 6? Is what? 6. 6 is the square root of is what? Square root of 6. So we say minus 2 sort 6 plus 2 sort 6 is what? Is 0. So minus 2 sort 6 plus 2 sort 6 is what? Is 0. So it's gone. Minus 4. Okay. So the next thing to do is to correct like them. So we say 6 plus 4 minus 4 sod 6 over 6 minus 4 is what? 6 minus 4 is what? Is 2. So what happened here? Say is what? 10 minus 4 sod 6 over 2. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to look for what is common here. 2 is common here and 2 is common here. 2 is common. We want to divide now by this 2. We want you to divide. So 2 is common here and 2 is common here. So what happened when we say that 2 is common between 10 and 4? What's common between 10 and 4 is 2 bracket 5 minus 2 sod 6 over 2. Okay, look what I did here. I say what is common here between 10 and 4 is what? 2. 2 is common. So 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 2 is 4. So what next is what? 2 divide this 2 is what? I have what? 5 minus 2 so 6 as a final answer. Okay, if you are just kindly watch the video from the beginning to the end. If you are confused, okay, kindly what? Write to us and we are going to reply immediately. Okay, without wasting our time, let's go to number 2. Is not a rationalized what? It's not a rationalized sort, which makes it more easier for us. So what I'm going to just go straight by saying sort 5 in bracket. What is this sort of 147? The sort of 147 is what? 49 times 3. 49 times 3. The sort of 147 minus the sort of 12 is what? Sort is what? 4 times 3. Okay, over sort 15, because it does not have a perfect number. So still like this. The next thing to do is to say that you say what is, because 49 is a perfect number. Since 49 is a perfect number, what am I going to do? This square root of 49 is what? Is 7. 7 sod 3 minus 4 is also a what? Perfect number. Since 4 is a perfect number, so the square root of 4 is what? Is 2 sod 3. Okay, over square root of what? Sod of 15 is what? 5 times 3. Okay, next thing is like this now. The next thing to do is what? Is to go like this. Sod 5 7 sod 3 minus 2 sod 3 over this thing implies that sod 5 multiply what? Sod 3 is the same thing. Okay, let me use my sod 5 multiply sod 3 you see what? The same thing. So see the same thing now. What happened? There's a common term here, which is what? Sod 5 cancel sod 5. What we now have is what? Sod 3 minus 2 sod 3 over sod 3. If you are confused on what to do here, you can still go back to the same thing again. Look what happened here. What happened here is that here I expand this place because I've seen a common term that I can divide with, which is sod 5. So I open this sod 5 and sod 3, which is sod 5 and sod 3. Being that sod 5 divides sod 5, what it means was sod 3. Being that we have 7 sod 3 minus 2 sod 3, sod what? Sod divided by what? Sod 3. So what happened here? We have the same terms. So say 7 minus 2 is what? 5. 5 sod 3. Being that 7 sod 3 minus 2 sod 3 is what? 5 sod what? 3 over sod 3. Being that we have something that's common here, which is sod 3 divided sod 3 equals to what? 5. 5 is our final answer. It's very simple, okay? Kindly watch the tutorial and see how we solve it. So we move to number 3. Okay? Number 3 question. So what we are going to do is that this is like a fraction. Since this question looks like a fraction, what happened? You find the LCM, then you can say sod 2 over 1 plus 1 over sod 3. Okay, then here is the same thing also. So 2 over 1 minus 1 over sod 3. Then the next thing to do is we'll find the LCM of 1 and sod 3. The LCM of 1 and 3 is what? Or is what? Sod 3. So 1 going to sod 3 is what? Is sod 3 sod 2. Okay, I'm doing that again. Plus this 1 is already here. 3 divided 3, or so 3 divided sod 3 is what? Is 1. 1 times 1. Okay, let me just bring it. That's how you understand what we're doing here. Okay, then here also the same thing also. The LCM of this and this is what? Sod 3. Then since sod 3 is the LCM, what happened? 1 going to sod 3 is what? Is sod 3. So this is sod 3 already. Then these are sod 2 we have here as a numerator minus. So 3 divided sod 3 is what? Is 1. These are 1 here. I'm doing this just for us you want to understand what you're doing here. But remember, I can skip this version, I can skip this place and then move on. But for more clarity, that is why. So we clear bracket. So 3 times sod 2 is what? Sod 6 plus 1 times 1 is what? Is 1 over sod 3. Okay? Here now is what? Sod 3 multiplied sod 2 is what? Sod 6. Sod 6 minus 1 times 1 is what? Is 1 over sod 3. You see now that I can skip this version. I can skip this place just to get this place. But for more clarity, that is why. Then the next I'm going to do is what? Is to what? Clear the bracket by saying sod 6 multiply this one will multiply this one, and this one will also multiply this one. If you're confused what I'm going to do here now, watch the previous video, you see what we are doing right now. So say sod 6 multiply sod 6 is what? Sod 36. Sod 6 multiply minus 1 is what? Minus sod 6. If you are confused what you're doing now, you can watch a previous video, you see what's going on here now. Okay, then we continue again. Say plus 1 multiply sod 6 is what? Plus sod 6. Then plus 1 multiply minus 1 is what? Minus 1 over sod 3 multiply sod 3 is what? Is sod 9. Then we can see that we have a what? A perfect number here. Which means that the square root of 36 is what? Is 6. Because 36 is a perfect number, so we say that the perfect number is that have a square root. So the square root of 36 is what? I should have here now. 36 is a what? A perfect number. So since 36 is a perfect number, it have a square root. So the square root of 36 is what? Is 6. Then minus 6 plus sod 6 minus sod 6 plus sod 6 is what? Is 0. Is 0. So let's cancel like 0. So it's gone. We have a what? Minus 1 over 9 is a what? Perfect number. So it have a square root. So the square root of 9 is what? Is 3. Which means that 6 minus 1 is what? 5 over 3. So this is our final answer. Okay, just can you watch the video and see what we did here. If you're confused in this place, expand this place of how we expand there, can you watch the previous video? It's also in this one so that you can get clear. Okay, let's solve this one. Number 4. This is number 4 question. For we to solve this one, we have this is a what? Rationalized what? Sod. Being that we have our numerator and denominator. And in this one, what we're going to do is that this denominator, this conjugate denominator, we multiply the numerator and the denominator. And when this conjugate is multiplying the numerator and denominator, what happens? The sign changes from positive to negative. Now let me solve it here. We have 2 sod 3 plus 3 sod 2 over 5 plus 2 sod 6 multiplied by 5 minus 2 sod 6 over 5 minus 2 sod 6. Okay, so the next thing to do now is to what? Use this one to multiply this to also multiply this. What do I mean by that? So we say that 2 sod 3 multiply 5 minus 2 sod 6 plus 3 sod 2 also multiply 5 minus 2 sod 6. Okay, over same thing we did in the numerator is what we are going to do in the denominator by saying 5 multiply 5 minus 2 sod 6 plus 2 sod 6 multiply 5 minus 2 sod 6. Okay, now let's clear the bracket now. Being that 2 times 5 is what? 10. 10 sod 3. 2 sod 3 minus times minus 2 sod 6 is what? Minus 4 sod 18. You then say plus 3 sod 2 multiply 5 is what? Plus 15 sod 2. Plus 3 sod 2 multiply minus 2 sod 6 is what? Is minus 6 sod 12. Okay, I believe you get what happened here. Then we go to do the same thing also in denominator. 5 times 5 is what? 25. 5 times minus 2 sod 6 is what? Minus 10 sod 6. Then we then say plus 2 sod 6 multiply 5 is what? Plus 10 sod 6. Plus 2 sod 6 times minus 2 sod 6 is what? Minus 4 sod 36. Okay. Next thing we're going to do now is look for what? A perfect number. 18 is a perfect number, so we can bring it down. 12 is also have a 12 also have a perfect number. 18 have a perfect number. 12 also have a perfect number. So what we're going to do, we're going to bring them down. Break it down by saying that 10 sod 3 minus 4 sod. What and what will I multiply to get 18? Is what? I will look for a perfect number. I will multiply another number to get me 18, and is what? 9 times 2. So 9 times 2 is 18 plus 15 sod 2 minus 6. Now, so 12 here. What perfect number will I multiply with another number? I will look for a perfect number that will multiply another number to get me 12. So the perfect number is what? 4. So 4 times 3 is what? 12. So 4 is the perfect number. So 4 multiply 3 is what? 12. Okay? Over. Then I continue again. And say, look at now. We have here 25 minus 10 sod 6 plus 10 sod 6 minus 4 sod 36. What happened? Minus 10 sod 6 plus 10 sod 6 is what? 0. So it's 0. That is 0. So we have what? 25 minus 4. The square root or the square root of 36 is what? The square root of 36 is what? Is 6. Being that 4 times what? 6. Right? So 4 times 6 is what? 24. So times 6 is 24. Okay, let's see hold on. So next thing to do is what? We have 10 sod 3 minus the square root of 9 is what? Is 3. 3 times 4 is what? 12. All this is being taught in the class. I'm just trying to solve some past question for you here, not to kind of teach you from the process. If you want us to teach you from the process, we are going to, there's a video towards this sort on topic, which is in this video also, in this our channel. Okay, so we continue by saying plus 15 sod 2 minus 4 is a perfect number. So the square root of 4 is what? 2. 2 times 6 is what? 12. So minus 12 sod 3 over 25 minus 24. Okay, then is that we say minus 12 sod 2 plus 15 sod 2 is what? 3 sod 2. Okay, then here is that here I have here plus 10 sod 3 minus 12 sod 3 over 1, because 25 minus 24 is what? Is 1. Okay, minus 12 sod 2 plus 15 sod 2 is what? 3 sod 2. Now what happened is that plus 10 sod 3 minus 12 sod 3, what do you get? Is what? 3 sod 2 minus 2 sod 3 over 1, which is equals to what? 3 sod 2 minus 2 sod 3. So this is our final answer. Okay, just kindly watch the video to get it clearly. And if you have any question based on these solvings or on this Jamb mathematics past question and answer, please kindly chat us up and we are going to reply immediately.